So, I'm halfway of finishing my bread. Tingnan mo siya. Kalahati na lang. High carb. Not so high carb. But yeah, carbs. And my coffee latte. Ow. So good. Pait lang. Even if it's latte. So again, I like my bread to be dipped in the coffee. Ganun talaga kami mga Bisaya. Inuhugasan namin yung tinapay namin. Maarte kami.
Ma, you're not Bisaya.
I'm Bisaya, darling.
What?
I'm Bisaya, di ba? So, Mommy's Bisaya. You're also Bisaya.
What? I don't speak Bisaya.
You don't speak Bisaya. I'm trying to teach you how to speak Bisaya. Though it's hard for you to learn Bisaya, but I know you can learn Bisaya or you understand Bisaya.
Ay, nako talaga.
Hmm?
Ay, nako talaga.
Ay, naku talaga. That's not Bisaya, that's Tagalog ba?
No. Yeah, just say it here.
Hirap is ano,
Hard.
that's still Tagalog. Hirap in Bisaya is lisod. Magkalisod-lisod.
Magtipalo.
Puro kalokohan kasing alam nitong Bisaya. So again, hinuhugasan pa namin yung tinapay namin sa Bisaya. Hinuhugasan sa kape.
Nakunti yung pa ako. I keep scratching it.
So good. Yan lang. Again, it's Bisaya thing.
Half of my class have a, you know what? Our class speaks English like almost every day.
Okay.
We sometimes speak Filipino if we want to.
Since you have Mandarin class already, you should also mix Mandarin in your
Wash your shoes, Sexy.
routinary
Wash your
routinary conversation in class. sa
Wash
class.
your shoes, Sexy. Okay.
Ang Mandarin class kasi siya ngayon.
Hirap mo ang Mandarin?
Mahirap talaga. Walang madali sa buhay, anak. Okay? Tandaan mo yan.
Dala yung...
You have to undergo the ups and downs of life for you to learn and enjoy the journey. So, don't just aim for good things to happen. No? Embrace both good and bad. Learn from your experience.